Hey, what's going on, ladies and gents? This is Eddie Harvey from TradeWithEd.com. So how to avoid losses in Forex trading. All right, so let's start out with this. You're going to lose. Losing is inevitable. I'm gonna say one more time, you're going to lose. Losing is inevitable. Now, if you can wrap your mind around that and understand that losses are gonna happen when you are trading, you're gonna go that much further ahead and you're gonna be that much more secure in your trading process. Now, why do I say that? No one is 100% accurate. Even the greatest traders in the world lose, okay? I've learned from multiple 6 and 7 figure traders that even the greatest traders in the world lose. You have traders that win only 40% of their trades, meaning that let's say for every 10 trades they take, they lose 6, they win 4. Now, you might say, well, how the hell are they coming out with profitable margins and still able to make great money? It's because when they lose small, they're minimizing their risk, and when they win big. Okay, so how does that happen? Okay, how do you get to the point to where when you do take a loss, it's gonna be a minimal loss and you're not gonna risk as much? Well, it comes down to a few things. It's all about, first of all, your trading style, and when you are trading, you want to make sure whatever your style is that you are working on it, your craft, you're practicing it daily. You have to make sure you are practicing and getting better. So it doesn't matter if you are a scalper, a trend trader, an intraday trader, a position trader, swing trader, you got to get better at your craft. And how do you do that? It's with practicing. Being in your demo account. Demo account is there for you to get better. I don't care if you've won 100 trades in a row, you still have to practice. You have to be in your demo. It's just like a professional athlete. Basketball players, how do you get better at your jump shot? You got to be in the gym putting up the shots daily. It don't matter if you just came off a 50-point game. You got to be in the gym the next day getting your shots up. That's the only way you're going to get better. So you have to practice in your demo account, guys. The next thing you want to do is be smart. Do not overtrade. Once you've hit your trading goal, whether that might be a certain amount of pips, a certain income number, a certain percentage of account growth, once you hit it, get out the markets. Don't overtrade. Do not do that, because now once you start overtrading, you're gonna put yourself in a position. Yeah, you may win, but then now you might take some unnecessary losses because you're getting greedy. Get your numbers, get in and out. The next thing, guys, is do not use bigger lot sizes than you can afford to use. Okay, do not use bigger lot sizes than you can afford to lose, because if you're out here, it's a mental part to it as well. If you're out here over leveraging yourself, guys, and risking way more than your account can handle, okay, excuse me, using bigger lots than your account can handle, if you win big, it's gonna be fine, but if you lose, you're gonna lose big too. So that's a mental capacity thing as well. So a rule of thumb that I've been taught and that I've learned to stick to from blowing a lot of accounts. I ain't gonna say I've blown a lot of. I haven't blown an account over a year now almost, but last year, man, when I was going through learning, I blew a few accounts, but part of it was because I was using bigger lots. So it's supposed to be literally, a good rule of thumb is 0.01 for every $100. So if you got $1,000 in an account, then you can trade 0.1, which is $1 per pip. So you shouldn't be out here trading with $1,000 in account, even though it's $1,000. Don't be trading 0.3, which is $3 per pip or something. Now, now you're over leveraging yourself. Okay, even the same thing. If you only got $100, starting out with $100, don't be trying to trade 0.5, which is 50 cents per pip. Stick to 0.01, which is 10 cents per pip. And I say this because winning bigger and getting bigger profits faster is a lot sexier, is more fun, and it's like, man, I'm growing my account that much faster. But understanding that you want to do it the right way, okay? Do it the right way, and do not use bigger lots. And don't over leverage, guys. Don't over leverage yourselves. Pick a good leverage amount, and when you are trading, over leveraging kind of goes in hand with using bigger lot sizes. Keep your leverage small. When you look at your account and see the free leverage you have and all of that, guys, just do not over leverage yourself. Do not be out here where you might be using proper lot size, but now you're stacking your trades where instead of, maybe just having that trade twice at the right lot size, now you're entering that trade 5, 6, 7, 8 times. If your account can handle it, great, but if it can't, man, don't do that to yourself, because then what if you have about 4 or 5 trades go against you And yeah, they might turn around, but then now if you don't have a leverage in there to handle it, that's the way you can lose half of your account or even blow it. So make sure you're doing things the right way, guys. Okay, don't over leverage yourself as well, and have patience. Patience is a big part of trading. Have patience. Be okay with growing your account slow and steady and building up as you win, and be okay with compounding. And then you might look at, man, okay, I only grew my account by 7% this week. But just imagine if you kept growing the account by 7% every week, okay? That's gonna start compounding and continue to grow into something huge. Well, 7% 1 week, if you grew your account in 4 trading 20 days, that comes out to, what's that, 7% a day, 1% a day, excuse me, for 20 trading days, guys. That's still 20% growth, okay? When you look at growing your account, all right. So you figure if you grew your account, I said 7% for the week. Even if you do 7% for the week, right? That's still 28% growth times 4 weeks. That's 28% growth on your account. So guys, that's very powerful. Understanding that those are the things you can do to minimize your loss, to put yourself in a position to where when you do lose a small, you're minimizing your loss, guys, and you're putting yourself in a position to where when you win, it's going to be bigger than your losses, and you can still grow your account, still have success trading, and not be stressed out about the losses you do take. So again, losing is inevitable, but if you follow proper trading rules, guys, be smart, have patience, do things the right way, be consistent in your approach, you will be all right, and you will become a successful trader. So guys, listen, I hope you all got some value from this video. Listen, if you want to check out more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, guys. If you got value from this one, go ahead and hit the like button for me. And if you are looking to learn how to trade, if you're looking for proper trading strategy, technique, learning how to trade on your own independently, guys, along with getting access to tools that you can earn with while you're learning how to trade, simply go to tradewithed.com for more information. Thank you for your time. I will talk to you all later. Have a great day.